Welcome to a new tutorial about the introduction on absorption and emission of radiation. This tutorial covers the idea that objects can absorb and emit energy in the form of radiation, and that can affect their temperature. If you think of any object, from a cup of tea to an ice cube, it will constantly be absorbing and emitting electromagnetic radiation from the surroundings. Whenever it absorbs radiation, it will get warmer because radiation is pure energy. When it emits radiation, it will cool down, meaning that the balance between absorbing and emitting radiation will affect the object's temperature. For an object like a cup of tea, which is hotter than its surroundings, more radiation will be emitted than absorbed. So overall, it will lose energy and cool down. For an object like an ice cube, which is cooler than its surroundings, less energy will be emitted than absorbed, so it will slowly warm up. If an object absorbs and emits the same amount of energy, then its temperature will stay the same, because it's gaining and losing the same amount of heat.